My people, now welcome to today's matter. This is the only bus, as I tell you always, we get 4 steering with 4 drivers. My name is Eleno, and on a welcome to the matter what we call I, the Red, aka Ujueje. Yes. As usual, when we boom they call and I say every time, I always day with my co-drivers. We all of us they join, they drive this bus to the destination of laughter, where on go for find jolliment to the best of jolly. I don't know what I talk about, so that make sense.
Nothing supposed to make sense for this
country. It makes sense for this country. If it makes sense, you know, go normal.
So I don't tire to make sense. The last time I want to make sense. Everybody know like my sense, so I don't tire to make sense. Of course, the first person who sit down near me, now we would call Fred, aka MC Shaggy.
Yes, sir.
And of course, the old school comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Lucky Shine, hashtag I just married.
All the time I just married Elenu. Come, as you want to introduce me, this guy also look me like saying that to me.
He admire you.
You don't see where your forehead is shine.
I tell you.
Now glory of God.
Come on, your head doesn't just go back. This is your way home, you come front.
My people, more than leave Elenu, might just say long as we don't show us for marriage.
Only 2 months for marriage, your head doesn't go back.
Oh my God.
So that we've all, now your wife donate for her to support the program.
And last but not the least, now be the Chris, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We know well at all. Wellness, no day in case. 5-star comedy general, as usual. Fine
Yes,
boy.
I thank you as you add the comedy to the general. Because I want to say, going to me for up, they say, the general, if you see me, soldiers, they wait for me for outside. But it's good. I'm happy to be here again with my fellow Chris them. As I let them talk and say, this bus now 4 steering get 4 drivers, but they go the same place.
Now, when I not say for this place, if I want send message come, the way what would they do? I'm not to bring matters the way they newspaper. He did radio, he did TV. Matter where they happen, we go bring and come here, come talk, the thing go talk to you so that we go feel laugh. Because this Nigeria, now be the comedy station to heaven. Anytime we God won't laugh, now here in the tune come. If you want to see seriously, they go America.
Then if you want watch documentary, want see places, Dubai.
Dubai. And then if you want to see national population census, you go China. When one Greece say no, I create people.
Like that tree they talk. If you notice, if most Nigerians they pray, they take time make God they answer their prayer. Go they pray, Father, help me, Father. God go say, see us the crack joke.
Now, as I know, if you get matter, like say you read for newspaper, the thing is strong. One can you come on more talk and make tutorial for body, make you for laugh for the matter, make everything for the go jolly for you. Because this country where they so you don't need to take anything serious. Anything where you take a massive, make you live life. Just send and come give us for our email. Will be the red at Wazobia TV.tv or send them to us for tweet. And be our Twitter. If you don't get money to follow us as usual, you can track us. Send out to our Twitter will be at I the red. Hashtag I the red. That's what the matter they be. Now you know say na for Chris 9 day and not be only human being 9 day Chris. Unfortunately for us, our own Chris, you don't need anything to start them. But if you want to make animals Chris, just watch this video.
I watch this video.
Now like this, just to make animal Chris, just do that. Just do the way that you see so. Hold the dog, nyash. Hold him tail. Why now? Oh yeah, leave him. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Correct. Wait.
This one pass Chris.
I can't imagine say the film make human being crazy like this. Your whole person leg twist, then leave him.
Can they rotate?
They roll like
boy. Boy. I thank God for this revelation.
But meanwhile,
revelation. Get one dog they disturb me for area. I will do this thing.
But meanwhile, to make dog craze for where I come from for the warrior area, not be one tail. Put better go for mouth, chicken, pour for face. Give me
the dog is a kurobo.
When the thing don't enter island, give me away.
But you don't say Vanessa. Not be only dog, now the Chris, even goat, the Chris. I done this saloon before. You know this sliding door.
I remember the way
I done this saloon. Now later when it happen. Now I can't feed the code saying now waiting been they happen with this. Okay. Because I be not fit tell waiting happen until when it don't happen.
Yes.
They go to Waka pass. He can't come back. he can't look the mirror, can't see himself. So for your own mind, now another goat. He can't begin go back. He can't notice the way they the mirror say they go back. He they go back. He they go back. He they go back. Now they go back. The next thing now we are the goat not glass enter inside saloon. If you see where the madam inside saloon hold dryer. And you know something the way they happen, like they say beat a child with the right and draw him back with the left. Sometimes no be human being get to beat person. So the animals figure correct you say this is the way they do no good. Mo kuna look this video go no. Okay. In case you don't see that bullet. The guy go kaka for wrong place.
Okay, you don't go kaka.
He go kaka for wrong place. Okay, it's just that they don't say keep Lagos clean. They go leave that there. Go throw away nylon for road. You can't go throw away nylon. Maybe I see the drive fast or just can't throw away nylon.
Wait, I go
like make cash you made dog come begin post.
I would like most to see that video again. Like say, I bet producer give us that video again. More really see.
See where the guy bend down.
Okay, the guy can't run now.
The guy come begin roll.
You
don't get sense. Now you supposed to kaka.
Why you
See who can rescue and say the lava. The dog say today.
One sense you don't get. You don't get the kaka anyhow.
Na dog na put sense into human being head. Can you imagine? Now make I see one picture where they say this pedestrian bridge people they use leg cross. Goats then, cow then they climb the pedestrian bridge.
Human being cross meadow. How animal no go correct that kind of thing?
Meanwhile, Ellen will get one proverb where you give before you enter this stuff.
No be me
You
give
say,
any proverb.
You give proverb now you say wait now. When I give proverb you go say
no, this one everybody proverb now.
Everybody proverb.
You know why I want to tap this your proverb? Say if you beat pikin with one hand,
drop am with the other.
What of papa will be saying only one hand he get?
Use leg to come out.
Go in leg.
You use your leg. Your leg. Come. You dey talk about papa no get. What papa no get two hand? I say if you nod your pikin with your head, you use your lap drop. Draw anybody. Now, this matter with my hand. Why I want to? I tell you now before. If you get topic where you see for radio, sorry, when you see for radio,
yeah, for
when you hear for TV, you can't read. They can't tell you for paper. Send and God give us our email will be Wazobia TV. DEY RED.
Wazobia TV.
Now the fear of this dog.
That's all.
That's all. Before my guy the talk, we'll take a personal. Yes. Now, this one we say they catch one policeman. Friday Okon, inspector.
Why we say all this Okon?
Waiting to
Inspector.
Okon.
They I don't know as I want to talk am for PG. Shaka borrow me the one. I didn't know how to talk this thing.
They crank.
They crank on another man's wife.
Oh, they crank on another man's wife. Na civilian wife they crank.
I want to know whether na civilian wife. Na my wife. Now, the picture that they see so say they catch the police inspector, they crank person wife. So me I gonna wonder which kind she na another investigation method. You know say get one they call good cop, bad cop. You call first talk to the person like good person. Okay. Next time you come begin beat them to get information. So I don't know whether that one with the police they do, whether na the information they try to get.
They among the investigation where they do.
I don't know what to get to talk for this matter.
Yeah, me I feel say maybe na case. Understand? Maybe na the woman punishment, but instead of me lock am up, say major deal with her once and for all. Understand? Major beat her, personal beating. So that next time she no go do that kind of thing again.
Maybe dog.
Well, I think say maybe this policeman he using power take run this woman paro. Cause I be read this story, Sha. You understand? Those are the always no story.
No fit.
So funny enough, this man in a Friday Okon. The day they catch and they crank this woman on Friday.
On Friday.
See her now.
And the magazine will carry this report on Friday magazine.
Friday magazine catch Inspector Friday.
I don't know why they blame the man. After all, they say police is your friend. So you person and your friend they play. I don't know what
Okay.
So for Nigerian police, na Shakara talk that one. Me, I don't see you as my friend. So when I feel just anything when I see Shakara babe, if you do something wrong, Una fit be friend with
nah,
her
that's
like
what
this.
I
Seriously, I support you, Shakara. I don't say anything bad.
Yes.
Omo,
for
it's bad
you,
o.
Movie.
Police,
Bad.
that's what I say, but you know what that woman enjoy am.
Police work
Woman
na to
not complain
protect
now.
life and
You know whether they
property.
Why
protect
they
her,
argue?
whether
We
he
go break,
crime,
we dey come back.
whether I cover her,
We dey
so
come
nobody
back.
go see her, me protect
Make
her.
I see the talk. We dey come back.
Things.
Now what for you? Police, na do.
Now, do the police.